Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine Cohen's W using R and my stikpetR library. I'm using stikpetR with currently an R kernel of a version 4.3 installed. But the code should also work in, for example, RStudio or any other IDE that you might be using. Cohen's W actually only requires a chi-square value and a sample size, and it could be used with a goodness of fit test, provided you have a chi-square value. It can also be converted to Kramer's V, for example, and Cohen actually even gave some rules of thumb for the interpretation. To show you how this can be done, I'll need some example data, so I'll be loading in my general social survey data from 2012. Well, it's not mine, but adjusted for some example purposes. I actually don't need all of its data, I just need one nominal field. So the field that I'm going to be using for this is the mar1 field. I'll store that under nominal field, and as a table you can see a little bit what was in there. So for example, 79 people indicated to be separated. My library is unfortunately not available on CRAN, so you will have to use from DevTools the GitHub installation and then just install it from my GitHub. Once you've installed it, then you can load it just as any other library. And the function of interest is actually it's not mentioned, is in this case ES, and then which will be short for, here it is, ES, short for effect size, Cohen W. It only takes the chi-square value and the sample size as input. Now we need those. Those can be obtained from for example, Pearson chi-square test of goodness of fit. I have a separate video where I show you how you can use this function that actually generates those test results. And in there you will actually find the chi-square value and the sample size. Once we have those, it's fairly straightforward to fill out the function. Just fill out the chi-square value and the sample size, and you get yourself your result. In this case, 0.80. Now, I also have a function th Cohen W, which is short for thumb rules for Cohen W, and as you can see, this could be classified as large according to Cohen page 227. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.